Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So continuing with our topics on ragas in Medakarta ragas in Carnatic classical music. In my earlier video I have given you the first sixth Medakarta ragas of the first chakra, which was Indu chakra. Today I will give you the second chakra ragas, that is Netra chakra. Each chakra has 6 ragas, as I told you. So before that, as usual, we will enter into short prayers now. Here I go. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Sam Saraswati Namaha, Om Ram Ramapate Namaha, Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Lakshmi Naranabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namaha, Om Matrubhyo Namaham Pitrubhyo Namaham Rishibhyo Namaham Munibhyo Namaha, Om Acharyebhyo Namo Namaha, सर्वेभ्यश्च देवी देवताभ्यश्च नमो नमः. Hari Om Swasti Jai Shri Ram. So now we are done with the prayers. We will enter into the short topic. Our topic today is the Netra Chakra ragas in Carnatic classical music. Netra denotes the number 2 because we all are having 2 eyes. The Bhuta Sankhya for Netra is 2, very logical. So just to have this recap. So remember this, Netra is the second chakra, Netra chakra. It has also got 6 ragas. These ragas are named according to Katapaya rules in Sanskrit, as I told you. So now I will give you the Netra chakra ragas. They are Senavati, Hanumatodi, Dhenuka, Nataka Priya, Kokila Priya and Rupavati. Come again, Senavati, Hanumatodi, Dhenuka, Nataka Priya, Kokila Priya and Rupavati. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? These are the 6 ragas of Netra chakra. Now I will give you their Katapayadi numbers. So first we have to take the 7th raga, that is Senavati. Why it is 7th raga? Because according to Katapayadi rules, take the first 2 letters Senavati. Na denotes 0 according to Katapayadi system, and Se or Sa, that denotes number 7. So we will have to take it in the reverse order. 07 it gives us. Therefore, Senavati is 07, that is 7th raga. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Likewise, moving on, Hanumatodi. Hanumatodi is 8th raga because Na is 0, Ha is 8. According to Katapayadi rules, take it in reverse order as per rules. We get 08. Therefore, Hanumatodi is the 8th Medakarta. Moving on, Dhenuka. Dhenuka again, Na is 0, The is 9 according to Katapayadi rules. Take it in reverse order. 09 is the number. Therefore, Dhenuka is the 9th Medakarta. Likewise, moving on to the 10th, Nataka Priya. Ta is 1 according to Katapayadi system. Na is 0. Take it in reverse order. We are getting 10, that is 10. Therefore, Nataka Priya is the 10th Medakarta raga. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on to next raga, Kokila Priya. Ki is 1. Ko is also 1 according to Katapayadi system. Therefore, take it in reverse order. It is nothing but 1. That is 11th raga. Kokila Priya is 11th Medakarta. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Moving on, Rupavati is the 12th raga. Here, Pa is 2 and Pa is 1 and Ra is 2 according to Katapayadi system. Therefore, take it in reverse order. We are getting 1, 2, that is 12th raga as 12th Medakarta. Rupavati is the 12th Medakarta raga. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now we will have a quick recap again. The Netra chakra ragas are Senavati, Hanumatodi, Dhenuka, Nataka Priya, Kokila Priya and Rupavati. These are the 6 ragas in order according to the Katapayadi naming system in the Netra chakra. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So in each chakras I am giving you 6 ragas. Learn this. I am making it very easy for you. Only 6 ragas at a time. You can easily remember with the Bhuta Sankhya's and the Katapayadi numbers. If you master this, it will be very, very easy to remember. So in the next upcoming video, I am going to give you the 6 ragas of the 3rd chakra, that is Agni chakra. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas to be signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Also, I'm taking special classes on Sanskrit devotional stotras like Carnatic classical music songs, devotional songs, and then Chandas, Sanskrit poetry, brilliant poetry, Kavyas, Puranas, and Chandas Shastra, that is poetic meters, etc. in Sanskrit. So all those interested, please catch me direct on 9762331815. Bye for now. We'll shortly meet in my upcoming video. Hari Om Susti Jai Shri Ram. Thank you. Namaste.